Welcome to the Decluttering series, 15 Minutes to a Peaceful Home. What do you do if you don't even have 15 minutes? Well, today I'm going to show you the stopwatch method and show you how every minute counts. Welcome to the peaceful home. Today I'm putting my timer away. I didn't even think I was going to have a 15-minute session today to declutter because it's one of my busiest work days. I made a quick breakfast, and as I was putting things away, I started to grab something out of the refrigerator that was expired, and I thought, I wonder how long it would take me just to go through this fridge really fast. I'm not going to clean or organize unless I find there's more time for that at the end. I'm going to hit the stopwatch right now and get to work. That was 3 minutes and 50 seconds. That actually took a little longer than I thought, but still well under 5 minutes. So just thinking in my mind, if I just spent 3 minutes clearing out the fridge, that would be awesome. Here's all the stuff I got rid of. You know, I don't know if anyone else keeps bananas forever because you're going to make banana bread and then they just go in the trash. A salad dressing we don't like. There were 2 things of mustard. I realized this one's empty. This was coconut water that one of my kids had, our family reunion, which was a month ago, and we don't drink that. This is bone broth, and I feel bad. Normally when I open it, I mark a date on the top so that I know when I need to use it by. And I didn't do that, and I know this has been in here for well over a month, if not 2, so it needs to go. Half and half that's expired. Cod liver oil, which I think was my daughter's. Some leftover meat. There was only a little bit of this steak left. We ate most of it for leftovers, but now that was last week. That's done. Tahini that's expired. Garlic that's empty. Pineapple that we use to make pizzas. There's not much left, but it's been in here for a couple weeks. And an empty bag. What would you find in your refrigerator? I just want the satisfaction of taking a look again. Let's see how it looks now. That just feels so good. And really in the, minute and 10 seconds I have left, I can toss all of this. And that was 5 minutes well spent. I would love to see you in a routine of decluttering 15 minutes a day. But if you feel like you can't do that, try for 5 or even 2. It makes such a difference. I'd love to hear in the comments below, what is the shortest amount of time you've ever decluttered? There are so many options for quick results. Drawers in particular come to mind because one drawer can be done so quickly, and if you do 1 drawer a day, you could have your whole dresser done in a week or your whole kitchen done in a week or 2. It all adds up. Thank you so much for joining me today on The Peaceful Home. Please stay tuned and check out the playlist below for all the videos in this decluttering series.